A very good morning, dear children. Dear children, we are going to start the new story from Unit 6 in your English book. Okay, in your English book, it is the story in Unit 6, Class 2. Children, as you have seen here, Curly Locks and the Three Bears. The story name is Curly Locks and the Three Bears. Curly, C-U-R-L-Y, Curly, L-O-C-K-S, Locks, Curly Locks and the Three Bears. Three bears. It is not bears, children, it is bear. Okay, now let's start to read. Here today we are going to only read. Once there was a girl with curly hair. Her name was Curly Locks. Okay, once there was a girl with curly hair. Her name was Curly Locks. Okay, there was a girl who is having curly hair. You can see the hair of the girl are curly. Okay, that's why her name was Curly Locks. One day she went into the forest. One day she went. Went is the past form of go. Okay. One day she went into the forest near her house. Okay. Near her house she saw a cottage. ठीक है. She saw a cottage. C-O-T cot T-A-G-E tage cottage. Is anybody in? She is asking. You can see question mark. There is a question mark. ऐसे question mark बना है. इसका मतलब she is asking. Is anybody in? She asked. उसने पूछा. There was nobody. There was nobody. Children, I hope now you know the meaning of nobody because we have done the poem Mr. Nobody. The Bear family lived in the cottage. The Bear family lived in the cottage. They had gone for a walk. That means the Bear family was not in the cottage. Okay? They are not in the cottage. They had gone for a walk. Curly Lock went in. Went is the past form of go. It is not want, children. W-A-N-T want, that means Chahana, or W-E-N-T went. She wanted to see who lived there. She saw 3 balls of porridge on the table. She saw. Saw, see की past form होती है. 3 balls. It is not bowl. Some of the children will read it bowl. It is ball. Nowadays the pronunciation is balls. 3 balls of porridge on the table. There was a big ball for Papa Bear. There was a big ball for Papa Bear. Okay, next is what she has seen next. Okay. A Papa Bear, a middle size ball for middle, M-I-D-D-L-E, middle size ball for Mama Bear, and a tiny little ball for Baby Bear. Okay, 3 balls. These are ball. देखो here सबसे small ball B-A-B-Y baby, M-A-M-A mama, P-A-P-A papa. Ball means कटोरे. Okay, this is Papa ball, big size Papa ball, middle size Mama ball, and the small tiny size is of Baby Bear. Okay. Curly Lock was hungry. Curly Lock was hungry. She ate. Eat is the second form or the past form of eat. Eat की past form होती ate. She ate the porridge. This is the porridge. She ate the porridge. P-O-R-R-I-D-G-E. Porridge. हम इसको क्या पढ़ते हैं children? Porridge. P-O-R-R-I. P-O-R-R-I. Porridge. D-G-E. Porridge. Okay. She ate the porridge from the big ball. Big ball में से पहले उसने खाया. It was very hot. She ate from the middle size ball. Now she ate from the middle size ball. It was too cold. It was too cold. She ate from the tiny little bowl. She ate from the tiny little bowl. Tiny little bowl, this is. It was just right. It was just right. Curly Lock ate up all the porridge. Curly Locks ate up all the porridge. All the porridge. Then she went to the bedroom. Then she went. Went again is the past form of go. She went to the bedroom. There was a big bed for Papa Bear. There was a big bed for Papa Bear, a middle-sized bed for Mama Bear, and a teeny little bed for Baby Bear. Okay, like porridge, like the ball of porridge, now beds are there. Big bed for Papa Bear, middle-sized bed for Mama Bear, and a teeny little bed for Baby Bear. The big bed was very. How the big bed is? Now let's see. The big bed is very hard. The big bed is very hard. The middle size bed was too soft. The middle size middle middle size bed was too soft. But the tiny little bed was very right. Okay, जैसे कि बॉल में हुआ, porridge की बॉल में पापा porridge was too hot, mama porridge was too cold, but the baby porridge ball is just right. Here the papa big bed is too hard, mama middle size bed is too soft, but the little baby bed was just right. Curly Locks fell asleep in the tiny little bed. Curly Locks fell asleep in the tiny little bed. The bear family came back. The bear family came back. Somebody ate my porridge. Somebody ate my porridge, shouted Papa Bear in his big gruff voice. पापा की वॉइस कैसी थी? बिग और ग्रफी, हैवी वॉइस. Somebody ate my porridge, like this. ठीक है, shouted, shout किया पापा ने, पापा बेयर ने, in the big और gruff voice. Somebody ate my porridge too, said Mama Bear. Mama Bear ने भी बोला, somebody ate my porridge too, said Mama Bear. Somebody finished all my porridge, said Baby Bear in his tinny little voice. Tinny little voice, छोटी सी क्यूट सी वॉइस में जो बेबी था उसने भी बोला, बेबी बेयर ने, somebody finished all my porridge. Finish, बाकी दो के तो खाए थे, बट बेबी का porridge तो फिनिश ही हो गया था ना. The bear family went to the bedroom. Somebody slept in my bed, shouted Papa Bear in his big gruff voice. Somebody slept in my bed, shouted Papa Bear in his big gruff voice. Somebody slept in my bed too, said Mama Bear. Mama Bear ने भी बोला, somebody slept in my bed too, said Mama Bear. Somebody is sleeping in my bed, said Baby Bear in his tinny little voice. Somebody is sleeping. Curly Locks woke up. Woke up is the past form of wake up. Curly Locks wake up करती है. She saw the three bears. She saw the three bears. Okay, she jumped down and ran out of the cottage because she is scared ना. आप एकदम से bear को देख लोगे तो she has seen three bears. Then she jumped down, ran out of the cottage as fast as she could. She ran as fast as she could. Okay, this story is adapted from the Goldilocks and the Three Bears. ठीक है. Here the new words are curly, cottage, ball, porridge, hungry. You can see the picture. The three bear, the family of three bear just came. These are three bear, Papa Bear, Mama Bear, and this is Baby Bear. And she is Curly Lock. She is sleeping in the tinny little baby bear bed. Now she is scared. You can see the expression, she is scared, and she ran as fast as she could. Okay children, this is the reading of the story. Thank you so much.